How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, where today we're going to be going over another wonderful feature of DuckWeb. And with this feature, we're going to show you how to search for open classes using the Search for Open Classes option. So to do this, you want to log on to DuckWeb and then select the Student Menu tab. And then from here, you want to go to the Registration menu and then go to the Search for Open Classes tab on the right-hand side. Once you click on this, you'll be taken to a site that will have you select which term you want to register for. So that's going to be Fall 2020, and then hit Submit. And then once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page that has a bunch of different drop-down menus to where you can search for a specific class or course that you want to register for.
Yeah, exactly. So for example, let's say that you want to register or look for Math 111. You can use the Subject tab to scroll down to Mathematics. And then where it says course number, you can input 111. And if you also happen to know the CRN, which is the course registration number, you can input that there as well. And let's say you have 3 classes secured and you're looking for just one more class to fit into your schedule. This is where the start and end time tabs can really be beneficial. And also if you're looking for specific days in which you want to input a class, you can use the days tabs at the bottom. So for example, if you have class that you want to take on a Monday, a Wednesday, and Friday, you can click those tabs as well to synthesize your results. So once you've put all the information about the course that you want, you can go to the bottom and hit Section Search. And from here, you'll be directed to the list of courses that you are looking for.
So as you can see on this page, there's a full comprehensive list of all of the desired courses as well as the discussions for your desired course. And on the middle right-hand side of the page, there's going to be 2 columns with the number of seats available for each class. So on the left-hand side, it's going to show how many classes or how many seats are remaining in that class. And on the right-hand side, it's going to show you how many seats are available for that entire class. So on the left-hand side, you can see that for this case, there's 258 remaining with a cap of 260. One thing that you can use as well to help determine whether it's a regular lecture size class and a discussion is the number of seats remaining in each course. So for the larger classes, the 260, for example, this is going to be the lecture portion of it. And the smaller ones, around 26, is going to be the discussion section for each of that class. So to register for either the lecture and the discussion, you want to select the 2 boxes on the left-hand side under the select option next to the CRN code. One thing to keep in mind is that if you want to register for a class, make sure to register for both the lecture as well as the discussion portion of this course. So once you've done both, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click Register to register for these courses. And it will redirect you to a page where it will show you that you've registered for both these classes. Now that you've registered for the classes that you want, be sure to hit Save Changes and you are good to go.